XM or HFM? Choosing the wrong broker could cost you far more than you realize. A slightly wider spread, slightly higher trading costs, or trading conditions that don't match your strategy may not seem like a big deal today. But after several months, or even a year of trading, those extra costs can quietly eat away hundreds or even thousands of dollars from your profits. So, between XM and HFM, which broker is the right choice for you? In today's video, we're going to compare XM and HFM based on the factors that matter most to traders, including reputation, trading costs, leverage, trading platforms, support tools, and the type of trader each broker is best suited for. The goal isn't to determine which broker is the best overall, but to help you find the one that best matches your trading needs. Let's start with reputation. XM was founded in 2009 and has grown into one of the largest brokers in the world, serving a massive global client base. The broker is widely known for its strong educational ecosystem, frequent webinars, and extensive library of learning materials. For many beginners entering the financial markets, XM is often one of the first brokers they consider. Meanwhile, HFM, formerly known as Hot Forex, is also a well-established broker with a long track record and clients across numerous countries. HFM has built its reputation through a diverse range of trading products, flexible trading conditions, and reliable customer support. When it comes to reputation and industry experience, both XM and HFM have strong positions in the market and have successfully served millions of traders over the years. Next, let's look at trading costs, one of the most important factors affecting any trader's profitability. XM offers multiple account types with trading conditions that are easy to understand and accessible. The broker focuses on simplicity and user-friendliness, making it particularly attractive for beginners. On the other hand, HFM provides a variety of account options designed to accommodate different trading styles, from beginners to more advanced traders. This flexibility allows traders to choose conditions that better fit their specific needs. For beginners, the difference in trading costs may not be very noticeable. However, for active traders or those trading larger volumes, optimizing trading costs can make a significant difference over the long run. The next factor is leverage. Both XM and HFM offer competitive leverage options for international clients. This gives traders greater flexibility when managing capital and opening positions. However, it's important to remember that higher leverage also means higher risk. A broker can provide the tools, but effective risk management and proper money management are ultimately what determine long-term success in trading. When it comes to trading platforms, both XM and HFM support MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, the two most widely used trading platforms in the industry. These platforms provide virtually everything most traders need, from technical analysis tools to automated trading capabilities. The key difference lies in their support ecosystem. XM stands out for its strong educational focus. The broker invests heavily in webinars, training videos, and free educational materials for beginners. If you're still learning the fundamentals of trading, this can be a valuable advantage. HFM, on the other hand, is highly regarded for its diverse range of trading products, flexible account choices, and practical tools designed for active traders. As a result, the target audience for each broker is slightly different. XM is generally a better fit for beginners who want a supportive learning environment, educational resources, and guidance as they develop their trading skills. HFM is often more appealing to traders with some experience who want greater flexibility, more product choices, and a wider selection of account types. So, which broker should you choose? If you're a beginner looking for structured education, learning resources, and support as you build your trading foundation, XM is definitely worth considering. If you're already an experienced trader and want more flexibility in products, account options, and trading conditions, HFM may be the better fit for your needs. However, the most important thing to remember is that there is no broker that is best for everyone. There is only the broker that best matches your trading style, investment goals, and level of experience. If you've already found the broker that suits you best, you'll find the official registration links in the description below. By signing up through those links, you may gain access to exclusive benefits for our community, including reduced trading costs, updates on the latest broker promotions, and step-by-step guidance covering account registration, identity verification, deposits, and withdrawals. If you found this video helpful, Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss future broker reviews, Forex education, and real-world trading insights on this channel. Now I'd love to hear from you. Are you currently using XM or HFM? Leave a comment below and share your experience with the trading community. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.